Good morning, colourful people. It's the 21st of June. It's 7 degrees at the moment. It's a bit foggy in Barnup. And today's the workshop, Blue Wren Workshop I'm doing today. Just set up today for everyone. So I'm going to have tea and coffee, snacks. My wife's making a couple gluten-free delicious cakes. Got 8 people this morning coming in. Got a couple blue wrens for them to paint, to choose from. And then in the afternoon I've got, I think, 5 people. This is the gallery set up as a workshop, like a classroom. So it's going to be a fun day. Got the students already painting the blue wrens. Looking quite nice.
That looks pretty close, I think. Maybe a little bit paler, probably. Yeah, probably. Are you happy with that colour, or should we go a little bit